In this video, I'm going to show how to unlink your Google account from Genshin Impact. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I will print out the remedy the process on my Google Chrome, but it's the same process on any device, okay? You can use any navigator or your phone too. What I need to do is log on your email, okay? Your Google account email, the same that you linked with Genshin Impact. After that, you click at the top right corner on your photo and click Manage your Google accounts. Then I need to click right here, Data and Privacy on the third option. So swipe down until you find this option right here, Data from Other Apps and Services. So here you will see your Genshin Impact account. You need to click on top and click to disconnect to unlink Genshin Impact from Google. And you will disconnect your account, your Google account from Genshin Impact. You can do this several times. So if you want to unlink from other game or other thing, you can just click on top and cancel the link. I hope I help you out to unlink Google account from Genshin Impact. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.